For complex undertakings like drug discovery, development, and commercialization, navigating the lengthy timelines, stringent regulations, and high costs requires specialized coordination. This necessitates a robust discipline known as Pharmaceutical Project Management, PPM. Understanding the principles and rigorous methodologies involved in PPM is fundamental to successfully bringing safe and effective therapies from the laboratory bench to the patient bedside. Why is pharmaceutical project management so critical in drug development and manufacturing? Unlike projects in less regulated sectors, pharmaceutical initiatives face unique challenges, including navigating global regulatory hurdles, like those from the FDA, EMA, or Swissmedic, managing extensive clinical trial processes, ensuring strict adherence to quality standards, GMP, GCP, and coordinating diverse scientific and operational teams. Any significant failure in project management, such as missed deadlines, budget overruns, or compliance gaps, can severely jeopardize the development of potentially life-saving medications and impact patient access. Therefore, effective planning, execution, monitoring, and control throughout the project lifecycle are non-negotiable. Pharmaceutical project management relies on a combination of structured planning, cross-functional expertise, and proactive risk mitigation. Key elements include the formation of cross-functional teams, bringing together specialists from R&D, clinical operations, regulatory affairs, manufacturing, quality assurance, and marketing to provide comprehensive input. For example, developing a new biologic requires input from molecular biologists, process engineers, clinical researchers, regulatory experts, and supply chain managers. Robust project planning involves creating detailed timelines, often using Gantt charts, defining clear milestones and deliverables, allocating resources effectively, and establishing realistic budgets. For instance, a clinical trial project plan outlines patient recruitment strategies, site activation schedules, data collection timelines, and statistical analysis plans. Furthermore, proactive risk management is essential to identify potential scientific, regulatory, or operational hurdles and develop mitigation strategies early on. An example includes identifying the risk of a manufacturing process, failing scale-up, and developing alternative approaches in parallel. Critical project execution often involves specific methodologies and tools. Established frameworks like the Project Management Body of Knowledge, PMBOK, or tailored stage gate processes provide structure for decision-making. Stage gate reviews, for instance, allow for formal assessment of project progress and data at critical junctures before committing further resources, such as deciding whether to proceed from Phase 2 to Phase 3 clinical trials based on efficacy and safety data. Specialized project management software, e.g. MS Project, Planisware, Smartsheet, is frequently used for detailed planning, progress tracking, resource management, and facilitating communication across global teams. Effective stakeholder communication ensures alignment among team members, senior management, external partners, and regulatory agencies. This might involve regular core team meetings, steering committee updates, and formal progress reports. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join the GMP Guide.